Alright, so we got some new parts in for the RX-7. So first thing here, we got the Greddy intercooler kit. Got the Greddy elbow with it. Rams hardware, so we'll get that going today. And also got some things to clean up the front end. I got the clear turn signals. The stock ones are a little hazed up, so this should clean up the look a bit. And then also got some stuff for the STI. So before the tune, I got to put in, I got some injector dynamics 1050s, and then AM 340 fuel pump. So we'll be putting it in. I'm not going to show anything with this because it's just, fuel system was probably 1,000 videos out on that. So before we get started with the disassembly and do the install on the new parts, just kind of go over some things I did in the RX-7. I switched out the wheels. I put some raised 57Ds, luminous pinks. I've run these on the S14 for drifting, but it kind of looks really good, the contrast, and it's not quite picking it up. This color is really hard to capture on camera. And I got some new pieces in here. I got the Superior Auto carbon fiber dash mat. And then I also put in a Beatrush rear strut brace. I already had the floor brace and the bracing between the towers, so then I just added the rear strut brace. Kind of cleans it up. Still works with all the stock interior. I can still put the seat up. Clears it. And then I did also put some Swift springs on the STI. So cleaned up the look a little bit. Only dropped it about an inch, but really improved the handling characteristics and really didn't affect ride quality. It was maybe just slightly stiffer than stock, but I'd say it's almost not even noticeable. It's very comparable. So we'll get right into the disassembly on the RX-7. Got this side in, so now you can see the difference. Yeah, it looks way better. Awesome. We'll get started under the hood. Alright, so this is the stock intercooler piping. Looks very unappealing here. You got all the crush spots, flex sections. So we'll get started. We'll get all the old stuff out and get the new stuff in. Alright, so this is the finished product. Overall, really pleased. Looks really clean. Big improvement over the stock kind of ugly piping there. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can find a piece by Greddy or maybe someone else if I need to kind of complete the whole system. But yeah, overall, it looks awesome.